Wetir nyaka chogo koma timre kor sirikande mag gwenge mapacho kendi. Siem mager bende gisanieri koro ogol ne Ker Uhuru Kenyatta ewi bagni masani mabende ineno e bill noero mar BBI kokalo kuom jokamiti mane owal makoro okethi gi odiochieng' manyoro. MCA ma Central Alego e Siaya County Migosi Leonard Oriaro ogolo kwayo ne Ker mondo owere gi tim marandhoga machalni osetimne moluor Raila Odinga kotenre gi wach mar BBI. Banka ne wuoyo oko aput manang'iyo wach noero momiyo teko apisi mar weche arita maiye tijno. Moluor Oriaro nowacho ni en gima ne Senator ma Siaya James Orengo kaachiel koda jod bura mar Rarieda Atiende Omolo noneno dweche 2 mokalo magin kaka jokanyo kendo jogi moluor Raila Odinga ok gibiyie gi wach noero kata matin. Otieko konyiso Ker Kenyatta mondo opar diriyo kama odwaro mondo ter piny Kenya mabende osebedo koyudo kwe banka ne gisewinjore koda Migosi Raila Amolo Odinga e tero piny Kenya kama bende owinjore. Kamende kaka noloso.
Mar BBI adwa siemo wang His Excellency the President, the government President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, that were it not for the planetary sacrifice of the enigma, the Prime Minister, the People's President Raila Amolo Odinga, that led Kenya to having the mysterious handshake. By now the President you would have been checked out of the leadership of the country. The country was not in your hands. Even recall that at the time the Prime Minister had initiated a handshake with you, the entire lot in Central Province were demonstrating against that handshake that the Prime Minister has let them down. It is the handshake that brought in the BBI reforms, the BBI constitutional and statutory reforms that we had hoped to midwife by June this year. It is now clear that you have shortchanged the process. 2 weeks ago on our behalf, the working constitution, who is the Siaya Senator Orengo, and his brother Otiende Amolo, who are one of the pillars of the midwifery of the 2010 constitution, had warned you by saying that your hands, your dogs, Dr. Kiranja Kibichu, who is the PS of Internal Security, and Matiangi, who is the Cabinet Secretary, were twisting the hands of the Prime Minister. You know, people thought that we were joking, but we knew all that. It is now clear that the Secretariat of the BBI, you've since disbanded it, and your dogs, Dr. Karanja Kibichu, who is the PS, is the one who is now in charge. Let me appeal to you, our President, and particularly as an element of Catholicism which I belong, Roman Catholic Church. Be a Catholic now, Mr. Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. Put other things aside. Be a Catholic man. Many sins were committed and are still being committed under your presidency. But in Catholic Church, we've got purgatory, where your sins can be forgiven. If you should change the Prime Minister, which will be a logical consequence, a corollary of the dumping of the BBI process that would have brought to Kenya a new statutory order, a new constitutional order, as a Catholic, I want to give you a simple advice. Such a sin in the order of Catholicism will be referred to as a sacrilege, a sin that cannot even be forgiven